Welcome to the Keyboard Depth Function Room, the place to find a quick guide on how to play keys to popular songs on the function band circuit. In this video, we're going to take a look at Moondance as performed by Van Morrison. Van Morrison is the Northern Irish musician and artist, formerly with the band Them. This track is from his third solo album entitled Moondance, which was released in 1970. He wrote the song, which has a kind of soft rock jazz swing feel to it. He developed the song in the studio with New York musicians. And you can hear this in the way the song is embellished, in particular in verse 3. After the long solo section, the verse is an unusual length of 17 bars. This happened because it felt good at the time. The keyboard part is acoustic piano played by Jeff Labes. The song is in A minor. You should be able to find a song arrangement and basic chord sheet in the description box below. My advice to everyone is, as always, play the song in the way which is most comfortable to your own style. Everyone's going to play it differently. I'll play it differently every time I play it. So here's how I would do it.